Hey everyone, welcome back to Evergreen Tech Tips. Is your iPhone's earpiece volume too low during calls? You're not alone. Many users face this issue, but the good news is it's often an easy fix. In this video, I'll show you 5 proven methods to restore your iPhone's earpiece sound. Let's get started. Method 1. Dust and dirt can block the earpiece grill. Here's how to clean it safely. Power off your iPhone. Use a soft bristle toothbrush or clean, dry toothpick to gently remove debris. Blow lightly or use compressed air. Don't use liquids. Turn your iPhone back on and test the sound. Method 2. Sometimes the fix is just a settings tweak. During a call, press the volume up button to max it out. Go to Settings, then Sounds and Haptics, and adjust the slider. Check Settings, then Accessibility, then Audio Visual, and disable phone noise cancellation. Try turning off Bluetooth in case audio is routing elsewhere. Method 3. A bulky case or misaligned screen protector can muffle sound. Remove the case and check if sound improves. Reapply the screen protector, ensuring the earpiece cutout aligns perfectly. Method 4. Software bugs can cause audio issues. Always keep iOS updated. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. Install the latest update if available. Restart your iPhone after updating. Method 5. If nothing worked, try resetting settings. No data loss. Go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, then reset all settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. Reconfigure Wi-Fi, wallpaper, etc., and test the earpiece. Bonus tip. If the problem persists, it could be a hardware fault. Visit an Apple store or authorized repair center. Check if your iPhone is under warranty. And that's it. 5 ways to fix low earpiece sound on your iPhone. Did one of these work for you? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more evergreen tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.